How is everybody doing? This video is about the Black & Decker random orbit sander. This is a 125mm 230 watt quick change grip pads, 14,000 revs per minute, and a dust bag. There she is. This slots in here like a bayonet fitting for a light bulb. There you go. Let's plug her in. These are great. They take a lot of effort out of sanding. And you can go from 60 all the way up to the finest possible. So this piece of wood again is going to get the old scrape. And here's the switch. Voila! Oh yeah, so that's coarse, I think 60 grit. You can go way up and make it really smooth. What I've done here also is I've put a camber on the edge. That looks really cool. So, you know, you can make the plank very smooth to touch, or the wood. Yeah, cracking job. So that's the Black & Decker Orbital sander. Really like this one. Actually did this bench with it. This was one, I think it was 8 feet of, I don't know what kind of wood it is, probably, don't know, I haven't got a clue, but it's an 1.5 inches thick, maybe 2 inches thick. So I had it sliced in two, and I sanded the rough edges off it, and it has this kind of nice weathered look to it. And then I put some Danish oil on it. So my workbench. I was going to use a kitchen top laminate, but I thought, you know what, I want it to look, you know, you don't care about writing on it, setting fire to it, damaging it, and it'll hold up for donkey's years. So thanks for watching, take care, feel free to subscribe.